Hi everyone, back again. This is the third card that I made with the Pink and Main Crafty Courtyard March subscription box. As I said in the other two videos, March is their birthday month, and so the cards always have like kind of a birthday theme. This one is going to be a 6x6 tie-dyed card, and it was made using the embossing folder that was in the kit. And it uses the other happy birthday in the middle. And if you want to see a detailed explanation of how these are layered, go back and look at video 1 for the first card. And there's a pretty detailed explanation there because there is no coloring here. This is all layering stamps. I want to use the embossing folder. Now I've tried this already once and I liked it, except then I colored the starbursts, the fireworks pattern black, and I didn't care for that. So we're going to do it again. First, I'm going to ink this up, and I need to ink up the side, this side. That is recessed, so we're going to put some pink. We're going to put some blue. That will make purple in the middle. And then I want... maybe I'll just leave those two colors. And we'll smush them here in the middle. Now I'm going to put a little bit of water on here. I'm not going to use watercolored paper. There we go. Now we're getting there. Oops, let me put this on here. I'm going to put this in the middle to where I can just see the design hanging off the edge. So it's centered. Carefully lay that down, because once you lay that down, you can't move it. And run it through my machine. Alright. Hopefully we got a nice tie-dye here. Give the ink a second here. Nope, some of the ink didn't. Alright, let's see here. Now we have some background, but we have the fireworks that are still in white. So we want to put these on here. Let's see. So let me get, let's see, we'll need a happy birthday. I think I want the bigger happy birthday because this one on here is bigger. Yeah, I think we need that one. So let's put that one in the middle. And I'm thinking I'm going to put it on a circle. Well, first let's cut it out. Tape this down, run it through the machine. All right, I am going to put this down here. Line this up in here. You have to watch the exclamation point over here to make sure that's lined up, or else it looks a little funny. Let's pick that up. Black. That looks good. Take our die cut. There we go. So we have happy birthday for the middle. All right, so we have let's see. Well, this needs foam. Nope, I still think that needs a circle. Let me go cut a circle out. All right, let's see about this. Since the pink and the blue make purple, I decided to put a purple circle in there. Yeah, that's better. Yep, so this will go on here. Do I have to look straight down on this? There we go. So we'll put that in the middle. I think this all needs to go on foam too. All right, so this is going to be on here. Nope, I think I just want a frame around this. All right, let's see what this looks like. Oh, there we go. That's better. All right, so let me glue this onto here. Now this will be in the center. Like that. All right. There we are. Very tie-dyed. Happy birthday. We'll put this on here. Hold this down out of the way. And we will use this one, which says, wishing you nothing but blue skies, warm sunshine, and bright smiles on your special day. As bright as the front of this card is, that's the one for this one. And there we go. So that gives us, this gives us 3 cards with the subscription box. In A2, happy birthday. Wishing you a birthday just as special as you are. Top folding. 5x7, where you go side to side with the trim here in the middle. And a square 6x6, which then was 5 3/4 and 5 1/2, with everything raised up, and then just a circle from my stash. Well, there it is. I hope you enjoyed this. And here's 3 cards. And until next time, stay crafty.